Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 5, lesson 2. Please open your book, page 193. Count back to subtract on an open number line. The previous lesson, we learned how to subtract using the 100 chart. Today, we're going to use the open number line. Okay, let's start.
Find 68 minus 23. Let's use an open number line and count back. First, place 68 on the line. Here is one way to subtract 23 from 68. 23 is 2 tens and 3 ones. So count back 2 tens from 68. 58, 48. Then count back 3 ones from 48. 47, 46, 45. How can you tell that 23 has been subtracted from 68 by looking at the number line?
You can see that 2 jump or the 2 steps represent the 20 on a 10, so 10 and 10. And then you can see the ones, the 3 ones, the smaller steps or the smaller jump.
You can tell that 23 has been subtracted from 68 because minus 10, minus 10, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 means subtracting 2 tens and 3 ones, or 23. Which part of the number line shows the difference of 68 minus 23?
Select your answer.
The difference of 68 minus 23 is 45.
Here is another way.
You can subtract 68 minus 20 is equal to 48. Then 48 minus 3 is equal to 45. So 68 minus 23 is equal to 45.
So for this one, we can just skip counting, and instead of count 10 and 10 like in a previous way, we can just see that in my tens, I see 20, so I'm going to have big jump or big step to 20. So 68 minus 20, 48, because the ones remain the same. I'm only taking away from the 10. So 6, take away 2 tens, or 60, take away 20 is 4, or 40, so 48. And then from the ones, I'm going to take the 3 that I have them in my second addend here. So 8 take away 3 is 5, and my tens will remain the same. So here I see that I subtract the second addend that I have, 20 plus 3, 23, and I landed on 45.
How is this way of finding the difference different from the first way, when there were 2 jumps of 10 and 3 jumps of 1? Do you get the same answer both ways?
Yes, we get the same answer, because in both ways we subtract 23, or we add our jumps and they were 23. Either 20, 1 jump and 3 ones, or 2 tens and 3 small steps for ones.
In the second way, the first jump is bigger. It shows counting back by 2 tens, or 20, to get to 48. The second jump shows counting back 3 ones. You get the same answer, 45, both ways. You can check your subtraction by adding 45 plus 23 is equal to 68.
All right, so if you want to double check, make sure that your answer was right. Just add that small addend and your sum or your difference, add them together. You should have the big addend. Okay, let's see what we have next. So guided practice, page 194. Use an open number line to find each difference. So as you see, we covered the number line in addition, and we covered the 100 chart in addition. Now we use the same strategies in subtraction. So let's see in subtracting 28 minus 24. So they have 28 and then jump 2 tens because I know that in my second addend, I have 20 means 2 tens and 4 ones. So they made one jump, 10, another jump, 10, that's 20. So from 28, I jump 1 10. That means my tens will go down 1, it's 18. Another 10, I will have only 8. And then for the ones, I have 4. So either you count 8, take away 4, or if you would like to go 4 small steps to represent number 4. So where did we land it? So over here, 28 minus 24 equals, very good. That's what we land for, 4. Okay, let's see the next example. We have 50, take away 35. So I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna start with my 50. And I can do either the same way, jump 3 tens because I have 3 tens in a 30. So 3 tens, I can jump 3 tens, then I jump the ones, or I can jump just one big jump that just subtract 3 tens from the 5. So it's up to you. So let's go step by step. Let's do the easiest way, which is like 3 tens. So I'm going backward, one jump, which is a 10. It's going to be 40 because I'm taking 1 10 from the 50. And then I'm going to jump one more 10. Land on 30. And then one more 10 because I have to. Very good. Land on 20. So these are the 3 jumps. So 1, 2, 3. So that's minus 10 and minus 10. Okay, now I go for the ones. How many ones? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 20 would be 20 minus 5, going to be 15. If you want to go step by step, so 19, 18, 17, 16, and 15. So that's my answer. 50 minus 35 equals 15. Right? Take your time and enjoy practicing. It's really fun to do it. Use different colors and then make sure that when you count, use the right number. So if you can skip big jump, you can just go right away and jump 3 counts or 3 tens. So you land on 20 and you don't need to do the 10 skip by 10. But if you like it this way, you feel it's more comfort for you and you know that your answer is right, you can do that one. If you want to make sure that my answer is 50 is right, I can add the 35 plus 15. So if I add the 35 plus 15, if my answer is 50, that means I did the right job. All right. So that was for today's lesson. We used the open number line to subtract. We have the way to jump either one jump, subtracting the tens from the second addend, or break it to more than 1 10. And then after that, we go for a step or small step, either one by one, like all the ones that you have, or you just take it in one bigger jump. Okay, that's it for today's second grade. Thank you.